Pepe coin price prediction as Pepe pumps higher even with Bitcoin price down. Pepe coin, a recent addition to the digital currency and meme coin arena, is currently a hot topic in the crypto market. Created by artist Matt Fury, Pepe the Frog is a cartoon character and a popular internet meme, depicted as a green anthropomorphic frog. In mid-April 2023, an Ethereum-based meme coin named Pepe was introduced. Furthermore, Pepe surpassed Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Floki by achieving an all-time high. Shiba Inu now ranks second in the meme coin category, with Pepe taking third. The coin experienced a massive surge in market capitalization, reaching a record price of $0.0000001482. Over the past week, investors have steadily acquired this new coin, propelling the meme coin to the top. According to CoinMarketCap, Pepe has provided its initial investors with a 2,790% ROI since its launch. Cryptocurrency exchange OKX announced Pepe's new listing on Twitter, sharing the exciting news with the public. Pepe coin price. Pepe coin's price has surged by roughly 100% in the past day, currently trading at $0.00000106. The 24-hour low is $0.0000000523, while the high is $0.0000001012. Notably, its rapid spike has propelled it into the top 125 coins regarding market capitalization. Furthermore, traders are investing in this new meme coin in hopes of reaping immediate profits. Although Pepe's stability remains uncertain, its trading volume indicates that it is capturing investor interest. Pepe tokens follow a well-known pattern driven by social media hype. However, it is too early to determine whether it will be abandoned like many others before it or continue to break records. For now, at least, the Pepe coin has successfully captured the internet's attention. If Pepe maintains people's interest for an extended period, it could join the select group of meme coins that have permanently etched themselves into the memories of crypto communities worldwide. Binance announces Pepe coin listing. What's next for the meme cryptocurrency? The Pepe coin continues to gain traction on social media among users who engage with meme cryptocurrencies daily. Moreover, Binance has released an official Pepe buying guide, which the cryptocurrency Twitter community interprets as indicating that the coin may soon be listed on the exchange. Currently, the meme currency is accessible on smaller exchanges such as BitGet, BingX, CoinW, and others. However, major platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken have yet to list it. If this rumor proves to be true and the Pepe coin secures a listing on Binance, it could potentially reignite the enthusiasm surrounding meme coins.